Adam, Eve, the mean snake tricked Eve first, and then Adam, and then they go and get their clothes, and then they go to leave. And he said, what happened then they left?
Oh, you want me to say what happened then?
Mm-hmm.
What happened then?
They tricked.
They got tricked?
Mm-hmm.
Who tricked them?
The sticky snake.
What happened first?
I don't know.
In the story, who
I
got tricked
know.
first? What happened?
The sticky snake tricked Eve.
Tricked her into doing what?
You be Dora, and you have the backpack.
Are you done telling me stories?
And you have the backpack.
Okay.
Put the camera down.
All right. Bye. Say adios.
Yes.